Okay, boys, so today we'll be starting off with geometry, construction of triangles. So it was difficult to teach, like pay attention individually on WhatsApp or any other software. So I thought to start off with Microsoft Whiteboard. So this software we'll be using for geometry as far as we can. So I will try my level best to help you guys with this software to the maximum extent as much as I can, but till the limitations we have in the software. So the first step says that we have to use a ruler to draw line AB of 10.5 centimeters. So now starting off with the real stuff, making a line of 10.5 centimeters. I think this place won't be enough. Why not to go to some other place? Hold on a second. I think this part will be enough. This much. Now going towards making a line of 10.5 centimeters. Black color will be fine, I guess. Fine. So a line of 10.5 centimeters goes here. Now I have used this random ruler, but as you can see there are no values in it. But when you will be using your own specific ruler, like the one we normally use, the stationary, you will be having all the measurements on that. You can be more accurate than me when I'm using the software. So you will draw a line of 10 centimeters. You will mention it over here, 10.5 centimeter. This is 10.5 centimeters, and you have to mention the sides also. So for that you need to mention the edges. This is part A and this part is B. So this is part B. These points are not aligned. I need to align them. So for that, you just select the part, drag it upwards. Yes, there you go. And this one also needs to be in a line, the center. So here we go. Now we are done with the point A and B. The second part says, let's go towards the point. It says, since angle B is 60, use a protractor to make an angle of 60 degrees. Draw a line BK such that ABK equals 60 degrees. So the point is we need to draw a line from part B of 60 degrees so that AB and that certain point K can be our ABK with 60 degrees. So for that, what we do is we start working on the degrees. So for that, I don't have a protractor in the software. So easy way out is, what if I use this ruler? As I can see, there is a compass over here. There is a degree protractor. I'll be using this for the guidance. Okay, so I'll be just making a 60-degree line. You have regular stationery with you. You can work better than me as far as you're working in the software. So you guys can make better angles than me. So now I'm drawing a line of 60 degrees exact. Here I go. Yeah. 60 degrees. 60 exact goes here. My fingers are a little bit vibrating, and this software is very precise and accurate. So here we go, 60 degrees. I take this ruler, make a line of 60 degrees with no specific value of the line, that how much centimeters should be, just a random line. As it said in the question, that you have to draw a line of like a line only with a value K, with the point K. So we will be marking this point as K. K. There you go. Bringing it closer, like here somewhere. So this shows this is our point K. Now moving on to the real stuff again. It says this is over, since it was over 60 degree, we need to mention it that our point B is 60 degrees. So I'm using green color over here just to show that this is over 60 degrees. 60. So here it goes, 60 degrees. Then the next part says that we have to do what? Let me read. The next part says that we have to, since C is 7.5 centimeters from B, we have to find this unknown, like we have to find out the value of C, which is located at a distance of 7.5 centimeters from B. So what you can do is you will put the compass over here, the needle over here, and you will extend the compass to 7.5 and draw an arc. For your guidance, I'm writing over here, use compass to make a radius of 7.5 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Take it, but in this case I don't have the compass with me, so I'll be drawing a random line, a random arc. Let's suppose I put my needle of the compass, the pivot point over here, and extended it to 7.5 centimeter, and it comes around like here. Let's suppose at this point, I'm marking it with green. Let's suppose it comes over here. At this point, I'm making an arc only. Okay? I'm just making an arc. So this defines the fact that my whole, this line, this whole stuff is 7.5 centimeters. Okay, so I just marked it at 7.5 centimeters. Now moving on, let me write it more properly. This isn't looking that like presentable. 7.5 centimeters looks good. I can rotate it. Hold on a second. I can just rotate it like this. I am rotating it. Someday I will going to rotate it surely. Yes, now it goes 7.5 centimeters. Not exactly straight, but that's it. Now I'm erasing this part, so for that I need to use eraser. Erasing all the marks that I put mistakenly. So now we are done with this part. We drew an arc, and this point is known as C. This arc is known as C. So we need to mark it as capital C. So boys, here we are done with this stuff that we marked all the dimensions that we needed so far. So here we are done. Now it is saying join. Now let me bring you to the point. It says since it is all done, we have made a line of 7.5 centimeters. Now it says join AC. Now we have to join the line AC. So for that we need to make a straight line with it. So using the ruler again, right now I'm not very much good at this ruler stuff, but I will be soon, inshallah. I will be very better at this as I'm working with you guys to make things more better. So I think I will improve, inshallah. Now here we go. A little more slant is required. A little more slant height is required. I think this will be better. Done. Drawing a line, exact line. After drawing this line, you're done with all this stuff. Now what you have to do, you have to write the value, or you have to use a ruler to measure this side, and then you have to write the measurement. Let's suppose if it is 9.4 centimeters, you use the ruler to measure this length, and it appeared to be 9.4 centimeters. So you will mention it right here that it is 9.5 centimeter, and this is how you make a triangle when the dimensions are given to you. Let me make it more proper. Just 9.4 centimeters. Okay guys, so this is how you make a triangle using the dimensions and the degrees. So this is how you do it. Thank you.